I'm Matt Bartholomew, and we're at 1913 Creekview Court in Chanhassen. This home sits on an amazing lot with its own private creek. Let's take a look. We're standing in the kitchen of this beautiful home. It's white, bright, open concept, newer quartz countertops, and it has panoramic views of the woods behind it. Dining room, living space, and if you like nature, check this out. This second-story deck amongst the trees is the perfect place to sip morning coffee or enjoy a cold evening drink. If you're looking for an urban oasis, look no further because you got beautiful woods behind you and a tranquil creek running through the property. Thanks for joining us on this tour today. I'm Matt Bartholomew, and we'll see you next time.